Alright, so we're starting this little project over here in Yabir. Insulation removal day today here. Pretty piled up. Got my guys eating lunch, taking a break. It's an old house. Oh, unplugged. We'll be creating a hybrid home system on this house. That is 1.5 inches of closed cell foam on top of the floor right here, the attic floor, and then on top of that, we'll blow a R30 blown fiberglass on top of the 1.5 inches of spray foam, and we'll give this house an R40 heat resistance value of R40. Oh my gosh, they pulled out all the insulation today. Did a damn good job. We haven't vacuumed anything out and cleaned it up all the way yet, but that's the next step. Stay tuned. We'll show you phases of this job from beginning to end. Alright, so we're finishing up the final steps to our hybrid home system. We've insulated the floor with closed cell foam. This is an old house. We sealed this entire floor with closed cell foam. And we're going to pump a R30 fiberglass on top of it. The house will be around a R40 heat resistance value. Got my fiberglass guy in here pumping right now. This is a cheaper method of it's just a package we offer to save the homeowner money. Instead of encapsulating this entire roof line with 6 inches of open cell, which is a lot more expensive than what we did, we offered them a hybrid home package. Got John Benham with Triple B insulation blowing the fiberglass. As you can see, these floors, hard as a rock, sealed up. Alright, so this is the completion stage of the hybrid home system. We sprayed closed cell foam down onto the floor as we showed you previously. We come back on top with an R30 blown fiberglass. This house will achieve a R40 and will thrive year round. TC's Top Foam Insulation, Broussard, Louisiana.